98-inch upgrade. TV prices are dropping intensely. I remember a time, this was like a $30,000 TV, right guys? $30,000 for that TV?
Yeah,
Easy. And this is, we've been doing this house, what fellas? What, you think we've been here like 6 years now? 6, 7 years working with this family. Full Crestron control everywhere, shades, HVAC, lighting, what else? Alarm integration, camera integration, pool integration, and we'll show you some cool stuff. Here's one of their surround sound systems. At the time, Origin Acoustics best speakers. Look how big that window is. I love that. And one shape. Sorry, I got a little sidetracked. But again, this is at the time Origin's biggest, baddest systems. And we had a 75-inch right here. Customer always wanted a bigger one. Finally got to convince his wife to go bigger. Got him a great price. That's going there. But of course, with such a huge panel, we need a new bracket. So, new bracket for the wall. And if you guys have been following, we try to only do articulating brackets. That'll be going there, replacing it. And this TV, we brought it downstairs. I'll show you more cool stuff. So, they got look at that artwork. Artwork everywhere. I want to show you, like literally artwork everywhere. Love the art. And so they got this kick-ass game room. And here's the game room. There's full surround sound with Origin. Put that big bad boy right there. Let me show. Oh, this is another one. Wall Smart. Recess that sucker right into the wall. All the panels throughout the house have Wall Smart mounts, so they're all recessed. You know, it's those little touches that customers love. And again, let me turn on this light for you. Look at that. Just in case you didn't know. That many years later and still looking amazing. Maybe I'll peek a little in the back, because why not? Everybody's like, oh, but the front of the rack is easy to do. And it is. But when you do it right, the rack moving is equally easy to do as it is for us. And let's show you. Look at that. NVX throughout, swamp, and we're using arachnid switches, still going strong, NVX. You can just see how beautiful and perfect this install is. And again, this is a little detail that we do. We ground out all the gear, making sure everything has the same potential. And something different that we do, we use little lace bars, create like a little bucket to kind of hold it. Also allows you to kind of route the wires through. So cool stuff. So much cool stuff. Let's close that up. And we have audio control for the amps. We did the AVR9 in the living room. And Marantz. We love Marantz. Marantz works great. And Origin for the subs, and again Arachnid for the router, and you can just see the H. 3 series, still going strong. Autonomics, we updated it. We have the new M3, amazing. Love their new autonomics piece. Updated the surround down here. Originally they didn't have surround. That's why they have the new Cinema 60 for downstairs. We did a small little Atmos system, and again, cool swamp with the expander and watt boxes, and the bottom UPSs. We UPS everything. IPVM 18, so all controllable. Perfect. And I don't know how many of you do cedar closets for your rack room. Not really seen that one before, but something we do because you know why? Why not? Why not? Because perfect is perfect is. Look at that. You want to see a little cool little detail? I'll show you a cool little detail. Corner windows, always challenging. So we have 2 Crestron shades, nice little corner piece, everything goes together perfect. Beautiful, wow, more perfect stuff. Again, grade A, we love showing it off. So then, but there was a TV here, and we moved this TV to what is called the pony room. Why? I don't know, because why not? And hold on, we'll show you the pony room. Pony room's pretty badass. And again, the artwork here is tremendous. So here's kind of like a little gin room, Palatone, because you know that's what we do. Cool little TV here. We took the TV downstairs, brought it upstairs. Love that art, right? Eyes. You see what it is. It's actual like keyboards. Again, the taste here is amazing. They really do some magic in this home. Design is off the hook. Everywhere, and shades everywhere. 0 to 10 dimming. Like I said, shades everywhere. Cool little sunroom, and again, we recessed all the just in case you're not sure, we recessed all the touchscreens because detail at a home like this is everything. Can't wait to open up the pool, backyard audio. More cool stuff. The boys are going heavy, moving things around. There's another recessed screen. Again, catch you at the next one.